Hello, in this video we're gonna check if VIVO X80 Pro has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, let's open our settings. From here, find the security. Now let's locate the fingerprint, and it's right here, so that confirms this device has the fingerprint. Now let's set up the lock screen and see where the fingerprint is. So it's on the screen, in the middle, bottom middle, like right here. But we have a glass protection that prevents our fingerprint from a setup. So that means this phone has a fingerprint, but we can't set it up right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.